Welcome everyone to the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, and this one is called Sunny Smiles. It's so full of bright colors and cheerful stamps, and we think you're going to love it. I'm going to start you off with the Sunny Smiles 6x8 stamp set, and all these pieces go together really well. So your center, You Are My Sunshine, can fit inside the little sun shape, and also you can mix and match the little sunshine. Also, the cute little happy face can fit in the center. There's a cute little three-piece rainbow that you can stamp in individual colors and then stack them all together. And then they have some bold messages that you can put in the center of your sun to put together to vary your messages. There are also some subscript messages you can stamp underneath your main greetings or on the insides of your cards. And this is just a super fun stamp set to use for your summer months and friendship. Also included is You Brighten My Day. This is a Simon Says stamp double die, so it has the words and also that shadow background, so you can stack different colors for a really fun look on your cards. To continue with that sunshiny theme, we also have Craft Consortium Let Spring Begin enamel flowers. These are self-adhesive and they look like little pearls stacked together to create the little flower petals. There are 42 flowers in total with that sunshiny theme. We have an embossing folder for you in this kit, and this is called the Star Lattice embossing folder. It has a very fine line little stars that really fill up that page nicely with that 3D etching. So these are super simple to use. You cut your cardstock to an A2 size or 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, place it in your folder, and run it through your die cut machine with the proper sandwiches for 3D folders. We're also including the Happy Day Acetate foil transfer card, and so this is a clear plastic and you can use it as it is, or you can do some heat transfer with some of the foils that we've included in the kit. This is a 6-pack of yellow foil and it has that really nice sunny yellow color to it. You get 8 sheets in the pack. I do have an example of this at the end of the video for you to see how it looks once it's foiled. You've been loving our color blend papers, and we have a new pack of 8 sheets. So we have a pink to purple, a yellow to pink, a purple to blue, a dark yellow to light yellow, a dark teal to light teal, a pink to light pink, a sky blue to light blue, and then a green grass green to light green. These bold bright cards are perfect for die cutting and also using as backgrounds to your cards. You're also going to receive one of our clear bags, and you're probably wondering why. These can be cut up and used for edge-to-edge shaker cards. I like to cut these up the sides and at the bottom to create 2 separate sheets, and then cut those in half to create 4 different sheets to make your A2 shaker cards. We're also including a beautiful bag of sequins, and these are called Mermaid Tail. They have those confetti style sequins, so they sit nice and flat in your shaker cards so you don't have to double up on your adhesives. And speaking of adhesive, we're also including the 3D foam strips. And these are perfect for making your shaker cards. They're cut thin enough to where you can use them for odd shapes such as circles, or even to cut to put behind your die cuts. So these have that 1/8 inch height to them, so they match all of our other 3D foam squares. We're also including one of our A2 holographic envelopes. This does have a lick it to stick it type closure, but this is super beautiful. And to address these, you can either use a Sharpie or an address label to send them through the mail. We have 2 cardstocks for you. The first one is our 8 1/2 by 11 holographic rainbow cardstock. It's highly reflective and really beautiful when cut up for card backgrounds. This will go through the embossing folder really beautiful, and you can pair that to make your cards with the sheet of Nina Solar White 110-pound cardstock. And to complete this kit, we're also including one of our mesh zipper bags. This has a really Strong zipper at the top with a cute paw print detail. And these will fit all of your 8.5 by 11 cardstocks and the contents of your kit so you can keep everything together and let the creating begin. So up next, I have some beautiful card designs from our designers using the products from this kit. I've created a couple circle cards. The first one, I used part of that rainbow, also the You Brighten My Day die set, and You Always Bring the Sunshine stamp. And then below, I created a little shaker card using the sunshine paired with the Hello and Friends stamps on the acetate, the mermaid tail embellishment mix, and placed them on a circle cut of the Bright Bold blue cardstock. Nina used the Happy Day acetate sheet along with the yellow foil and ran that through her laminating machine to get this really great foiled image, which she placed on top of a edge-to-edge shaker card used from the Bold Brights cardstock, the clear bag cellophane, and also the mermaid tail embellishment mix. Callie Person created her adorable rainbow by using a different color of ink on each block of the top portion of the rainbow. She also die cut her You Brighten My Day die cut using the Bold Brights cardstock for a super crisp cut. And finally, Cindy Norberg created an adorable card using a cloud die towards the bottom, and then she stamped the sun and the You Are My Sunshine stamps in tones of yellow, where she cut them out and assembled everything on a blue sheet of the Bold Brights cardstock. We also have some coordinating dies that goes with the Sunny Smile stamps. These cut out the individual messages and also the shapes so that you can stack and create fun cards. Also available is the Wavy Rays stencil. This would be really great to create some sun rays coming out from behind your stamped and die cut sunshine. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration for our Sunny Smiles card kit. I do have links below in the description box on how to purchase this kit and the accompanying products, and also a link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.